Okay, so let's take a look at how you can add a custom JavaScript to your WordPress page or post with Beaver Builder. So what we're going to do is get into our WordPress dashboard, and then we will go for a page. So click on pages, all pages, then choose the page where you wish to display JavaScript. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply output console.log, and instead of writing big JavaScript query, what I will do is just print something. So every time your page is loaded, it will tell you about that. So launch Beaver Builder, and once it loads your Beaver Builder from the top menu on left hand side, not the right one, because here you won't find that option. So in the left hand side, simply click on this drop down, then you will find this menu that says tools, then go for layout, CSS and JavaScript. Okay, and here you have option to choose from CSS or JavaScript. So let's go with JavaScript. So we will type in console.log, and here we will just output page loaded by Beaver Helpfolder. Okay, then save this. Okay, click on done and publish. Notice I didn't add anything on the page, so as to simplify this, reload the page. Okay, now we will go to page source, inspect, because we have to check for console output, right? So we will go to console, and here you see page loaded by Beaver, and it also tells you my name here, Helpfolder YouTube. Okay, so you get the idea how to load custom JavaScript with Beaver Builder in its tools, layout and JavaScript settings.